Today we are making Medovik cake that is super tender, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. Hi, I'm Robert and from today's recipe we'll get a 20 cm Medovik cake weighing about 1.6 kilograms. We start with the cake layers. In a bowl combine 100 grams of honey, 100 grams of sugar and 80 grams of butter. For Medovik, there are two main flavors, the honey in the layers and the sour cream in the filling, so it's very important to use high quality ingredients, good honey and good sour cream. Place the bowl over a double boiler and heat the mixture to about 65 Celsius, stirring with a whisk and checking with a thermometer. Once it reaches 65 Celsius, remove from heat and add 2 eggs, mixing well. Then add 5 grams of baking soda, mix and return the mixture to the double boiler for another 1 to 2 minutes, bringing it again close to 65 Celsius but not higher. The goal is not to cook the egg but to activate the baking soda and the honey. Add 390 grams of flour, possibly 5 to 10 grams more depending on the eggs and the flour. Mix until you get a soft dough that is no longer very sticky. Transfer the dough to plastic wrap or cover the bowl with plastic wrap in contact and refrigerate for a few hours until well chilled. This helps the batter firm up so the dough is easier to roll. Once chilled, divide the dough into portions of about 105 grams for each layer. You'll get about 10 layers in total. Roll each portion thinly on a lightly floured surface. Use as little flour as possible. Roll slightly larger than 20 centimeters, then cut using a 20 centimeter ring. Collect the scraps, reshape and reuse them. Prick each layer with a fork and place on a baking tray. Bake at 165 Celsius with fan for about 5 minutes. While one batch bakes, you can prepare the next one. Once the layers are baked and cooled, prepare the cream. For this, in a bowl, combine 800 grams of sour cream, preferably 35% fat, 150 grams of powdered sugar, and some vanilla to taste. Whisk until you get a soft consistency. It should flow off the whisk, but still slightly hold its shape. It shouldn't be too stiff nor too runny. To assemble the cake, layer one sheet with about 95 grams of cream, then another sheet and so on, finishing with cream on top. Because the layers shrink slightly during baking, use an adjustable ring tightened to the size of the layers and line it with acetate to make removal easier. After placing each layer, press lightly so the cream spreads evenly and slightly reaches the edges. Once assembled, refrigerate the cake for at least 8 hours, ideally 24 hours. The longer it rests, even up to 48 hours, the softer and better it becomes. For decoration, bake the leftover dough scraps until well browned, then grind them into a food processor, into crumbs, and coat the cake with them. Let the cake chill completely before serving, then slice and enjoy.